Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed lower on Wednesday, pressured by shares in semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, automobiles and components and pharmaceuticals, as well as biotech and life sciences sectors. On the economic docket, the trade deficit narrowed to $51.1 billion in January. This all while 68% of S&P 500 constituents, they traded lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Lululemon Athletica reporting fourth quarter adjusted EPS of $1.85 versus $1.33 1 year ago, on net revenue up 26% year over year to $1.2 billion. Total comparable sales jumping by 17%, while the board authorized a $500 million share buyback program. Turning overseas, Asian markets mostly lower today. The Nikkei down 1.61%. The Hang Seng up 0.16%. China CSI 300 down 0.4%, and South Korea's Kospi down 0.82%. European markets edging lower, and U.S. futures calling for a slightly negative start. In terms of expectations today, Accenture second quarter EPS seen at $1.57 on sales of approximately $10.3 billion. On the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have fourth quarter core PCE prices final, as well as continuing and initial jobless claims figures. 10 o'clock in the morning sees pending home sales. While in the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees the bias remain bullish. The Nasdaq sees a rebound expected, while the Dow Jones also sees an expected rebound, but that's in focus. The relative strength index mixed with a bullish bias. Long positions above 25,480 are favored, with targets at 25,695 and 25,820 in extension.